Welcome to a thrilling journey through the heart of our solar system, where we will unravel the mysteries of the celestial giant that sustains all life on Earth, the Sun. Join us as we explore its scorching depths and discover what makes this fiery orb the ultimate source of light and energy in our universe. Before we start answering questions about the Sun which arise in every human's mind, make sure you subscribe to the Macula and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Or you can decide after watching if you find this video amazing and informative. Question number 1: What is the Sun made of? The Sun, a dazzling cosmic ball of hot gases, contains a mesmerizing array of elements, including hydrogen, helium, calcium, sodium, magnesium, and iron. Its brilliance is so intense that it outshines everything else in our solar system. Just imagine, if the Sun were a basketball, our home planet, Earth, would be nothing more than the head of a tiny pin. Question number 2: But what fuels this celestial furnace? Or, how hot is the Sun? Brace yourselves for the answer. The Sun is unimaginably hot. Its outer layer, the photosphere, blazes at around 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 5,537 degrees Celsius. To put that in perspective, it's about 50 times hotter than the temperature needed to boil water. Yet, the core of the Sun reaches an astounding 27 million degrees Fahrenheit or 15 million degrees Celsius, enabling nuclear reactions that generate its life-sustaining energy. Question number 3. Here comes the most intriguing question. What if the Sun ceased to exist? Or what would happen to Earth if the Sun didn't exist? Picture a world plunged into perpetual darkness and frigid cold. Without the Sun's radiant light and heat, life on Earth would be extinguished. This stellar giant not only illuminates our days but also stirs up our atmosphere, creating winds and rain that shape our planet's climate and sustain all living beings. Question number 4: What happens during an eclipse of the Sun? Witness one of the most awe-inspiring cosmic events, the eclipse of the Sun. Every so often, the Moon aligns perfectly with the Sun, casting a dark shadow on parts of the Earth that experience daylight. This captivating total solar eclipse turns day into night for a brief moment, while surrounding areas witness a mesmerizing partial eclipse, as the Moon gracefully covers part of the Sun's brilliance. Question number 5: Where does the Sun shine the most on our blue planet? In the United States, Yuma, Arizona, basks in the glory of the Sun with an astounding average of over 4,000 sunny hours per year. And not far behind, St. Petersburg, Florida, proudly boasts of a remarkable streak of 768 consecutive sunny days. Yet, even beyond the US, the eastern end of the Sahara Desert claims the crown, with the Sun shining there an incredible 97% of the time. Question number 6: Is there a place on Earth where the Sun does not rise? As we delve deeper into the Sun's enigmatic dance with our world, we discover a fascinating phenomenon that takes place in the polar regions. At the Arctic and Antarctic circles, there are days when the Sun never rises and days when it never sets. During the summer solstice, which falls on June 21st in the north and December 21st in the south, the Sun doesn't set, creating the land of the midnight sun. Conversely, during the winter solstice, which occurs on December 21st in the north and June 21st in the south, the Sun doesn't rise, leading to the land of noon darkness. Now, let's explore the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the Sun. This cosmic powerhouse is far from static. It undergoes mesmerizing cycles of activity known as the solar cycle. Approximately every 11 years, the Sun experiences a period of increased sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections, collectively known as solar maxima. This fascinating phenomenon brings captivating displays of auroras and space weather events, impacting our technological systems and satellites. Bonus question: What about the Sun's influence on climate change? Many scientists believe that variations in the Sun's energy output play a role in shaping our climate over long periods. Although the Sun's energy fluctuations are relatively small, they can influence our planet's temperature and weather patterns over centuries, contributing to natural climate variability. As we journey deeper into the Sun's core, we encounter the mind-boggling process of nuclear fusion. At the core, immense heat and pressure cause hydrogen atoms to merge and form helium, releasing an astonishing amount of energy in the process. This continuous fusion reaction, akin to a cosmic inferno, is what keeps the Sun shining brightly, and it will continue to do so for billions of years to come. Let's step back and appreciate the Sun's immense size. It may seem close, but the Sun is actually about 93 million miles away from Earth. This colossal distance is why it takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds for its light to reach us. In fact, the Sun is so vast that it contains 99.86% of the entire mass of our solar system. Now, let's journey into the realm of solar storms and space weather. When the Sun experiences intense magnetic activity, it releases bursts of energy in the form of solar flares and coronal mass ejections, CMEs. These eruptions can have profound impacts on Earth's magnetosphere and can disrupt communication systems, power grids, and even create stunning auroras in the polar skies. As we venture further, we discover the fascinating connection between the Sun and human history. Many ancient civilizations revered the Sun as a deity, worshipping it as the source of life and light. From the Egyptians and Aztecs to the ancient Greeks, the Sun played a central role in their cosmologies and cultural beliefs. The Sun's captivating beauty extends beyond our visible spectrum. Thanks to space telescopes like the Solar Dynamics Observatory, SDO, we can now witness the Sun's extreme ultraviolet emissions, which reveal intricate details of its dynamic surface and powerful solar storms. As we continue our exploration, we unveil the secret to the Sun's longevity. While it's already about 4.6 billion years old, it still has plenty of fuel left in its cosmic tank. The Sun is expected to shine brightly for another 5 billion years or so before it evolves into a red giant, eventually becoming a white dwarf, a dense remnant of its former self. Now, let's discuss the fascinating dance of the planets around the Sun. The Sun's gravitational pull keeps all the planets in our solar system orbiting around it. This cosmic ballet ensures that each planet follows a specific path, maintaining the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. A celestial symphony awaits us as we dive into the mesmerizing sounds of the Sun. Yes, the Sun produces sound waves through a complex process called helioseismology. These vibrations give us insights into its internal structure, allowing scientists to study its core and understand the secrets it holds. Have you ever wondered about the Sun's bizarre magnetic field? Unlike Earth's simple north-south polarity, the Sun's magnetic field is more complex and exhibits a fascinating 11-year cycle of reversal. This magnetic dance gives rise to sunspots and solar flares, shaping the Sun's dynamic appearance. As we approach the conclusion of our incredible journey, let's reflect on the vital role the Sun plays in shaping the very fabric of our existence. From the dawn of time, this luminous star has been the focal point of human fascination, inspiring myths, cultures, and scientific exploration. Our understanding of the Sun continues to evolve, and with each discovery, we gain deeper insights into the cosmic dance that sustains life as we know it. The Sun's powerful influence reaches far beyond our planet's boundaries. Its solar winds create a protective bubble known as the heliosphere, shielding our solar system from harmful cosmic rays. The Sun's gravitational pull also keeps comets and asteroids in check, safeguarding us from potential celestial collisions. As we bid farewell to our journey through the Sun's mesmerizing realm, let's remember that this celestial giant is not just a distant ball of fire in the sky. It is our life-giver, the heart of our solar system, and the beating pulse that drives the rhythms of our planet. Understanding the Sun is not only a scientific pursuit but also an appreciation of the awe-inspiring wonders of the cosmos. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling expedition to answer 6 fundamental questions about the Sun. We hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the star that warms our days and lights our nights. Remember to keep looking up at the sky, for the sun is a constant reminder of the incredible vastness and beauty of our universe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep marveling at the wonders that surround us in the cosmos, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.